Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Chevy Cruze headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is properly set, as this affects headlight aim. Then, measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlight beams. This initial setup is crucial for achieving precise adjustments. Now, let's mark the wall. Use the measurement from the previous step to draw a horizontal line on the wall, indicating the center height of your headlights. Next, draw two vertical lines, one directly in front of the center of each headlight. Finally, draw another horizontal line 3 inches below your first horizontal line. This lower line will be your target. It's time to adjust the headlights. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There's usually one for vertical and one for horizontal adjustment. Use a screwdriver to turn the vertical screw until the top edge of the headlight beam aligns with the lower horizontal line you drew. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam on its vertical line. After adjusting both headlights, step back and observe the beams on the wall to ensure they are symmetrical and correctly aimed. Once satisfied, take your Chevy Cruze for a test drive at night to confirm the adjustments provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. If necessary, make small, fine-tuning adjustments until the aim is perfect for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.